This is how to register and verify your Bybit account. Guide for beginners. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Bybit is one of the rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchanges with a global reach. This exchange has a very large selection of cryptocurrencies, many financial options and trading options, which we will talk about later. Bybit requires identity verification after registering an account. I will show you how to go through this process step by step. First of all, I launched the official website. A direct link with a starting bonus for new registered users can be found under this video. I'm going to register button. We can create an account using an email address or phone number. I will use the basic option, that is email address. I provide my email address. I set a password that meets the conditions given below. Please remember to choose a unique password dedicated solely to this platform and refrain from using it anywhere else. And below, there is a place to enter the referral ID. You can use my code. Then we read and accept the regulations and privacy policy. Finally, we can click Create Account and enter the verification code that will be sent to our email. When the code is ready, I click Submit. After that, our account is ready. We see the main exchange panel. To use the exchange, we need to verify our account. Click the Verify button. At the beginning, you can see the difference between various levels of verification. In the vast majority of cases, Level 1 is completely sufficient, unless you plan to become very large whale. In that case, you will need to complete all verification levels. We can read that we will need an ID document and a selfie to complete the process. I go to Verify now. It is possible to continue through the application. If you are using it on a mobile device, you can scan the QR code to proceed. This option will be useful if you do not have a webcam on your computer. I will focus on completing this process on the computer. At the beginning, we choose the country of residence. All data visible on the screen is covered because after so many years of dealing with cryptocurrencies, I take the issue of security quite seriously. At this time, we can use ID, passport, driving license, or proof of residence for verification. We will use my ID card for this purpose. After selecting the document, we will see information telling us about the most important rules of conduct in the next step. I allow the webcam to run. In the step, I have to place my document against the designated lines and then take a photo if everything is correct. Press Accept. In the next part, we need to set our face in the right position, not too close, not too far, at the level of the line. Follow the on-screen directions. You may be asked to turn your head in a circle. After that, our data and documents are processed. Finally, we land on our main panel, indicating that our application has been verified. It shouldn't take longer than a few hours. For me, it took 15 minutes while filming this material. After verification, your account level will change to Level 1 as shown on the screen. This is all in this material. In the next one, I will show you how to use the Bybit exchange, including how to deposit and send funds, how to trade, use stop loss, and all the other functions. Finally, if you are looking for a complete cryptocurrency training, check out my crypto guide on Udemy. The link is below this video. If you like my material, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Good luck!